Your pillow. It's personal, unique, intimate. Introducing Alpha Pillow 3D, scientifically engineered to provide the most comfortable sleep by eliminating uncomfortable pressure points in all sleep positions with our unique 3D diamond lattice structure. Alpha Pillow 3D takes the best attributes from our popular Alpha Pillow 1 and 2 series. We start with a memory foam core, infuse aqua cooling gel, add air cells for extra comfort and breathability, built a 3D extruded diamond lattice structure with zero pressure foam, creating our best and most advanced pillow yet. Traditional flat or one-dimensional pillows can only provide support on a single axis of movement, whereby at the end of the night your pillow sinks out of shape. Alpha Pillow 3D adds 2 more dimensions of movement where each individual diamond cell works independently to contour to your specific body shape and individual sleep position. The result is a mind-blowingly comfortable sleep. Alpha Pillow 3D comes with our ultra-comfortable bamboo cotton. Be amazed at how cool to the touch our pillow cover feels. You can also add our amazingly ultra-soft honeycomb bamboo pillow cover made with pure silver fibers. When silver comes in contact with virus, fungi, bacterium, silver performs their deadly work. They bind to essential cell components like DNA, neutralizing their harmful effects, creating a germ defense shield. This enables you to wash your pillowcase 7 times less frequently than other pillows. Alpha Pillow 3D feels better, smells better, and provides extreme comfort with our 3D diamond cells, resulting in a higher quality night's sleep. Alpha Pillow 3D is available in 2 sizes, standard and king.
Here at Divana Designs, we pride ourselves for designing the world's best textiles. We're super excited to engineer the world's first 3D pillow with diamond cells and bring comfort to a whole new level. We are also